Hey guys, today's New Tool Monday is actually a tool box. This is a 52-inch Husky rolling tool chest. The reason I went with this toolbox is it has heavy-duty casters with brakes on all four sides. It has soft closing drawers. It has this really cool magnet back wall that'll come in handy, I'm certain. And it also has 4 USB ports in the power strips that it has. Now, a lot of the other toolboxes had power strips built in, which I think is an awesome feature, but this is the only one that actually had USBs. And I run an iPhone with music in my garage, and so to be able to leave it plugged in with the USB ports will be very handy. It came with really nice drawer liners. I really like this deep drawer for storing my bigger power tools, and I'm really gonna enjoy having these plug-ins in the top where I can keep my battery chargers. That might go on my hard hat. Before I put all my tools in here, I'm probably going to invest in some tool organization things like socket holders, wrench trays, stuff like that. This will be a huge step up from my current toolbox, which is full of dead mice up in my shop. But anyway, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you on the next one.